Alright, so I've got the Beetle on axle stands. I'm going to give it an oil change. I've got some oil turned up yesterday, just some 530 oil, fully synthetic. It's the cheaper stuff, because I've got not much in the way of history the last couple of years. I'm just going to change the oil, change the oil filter, change the air filter, but with the oil I'll leave the cheap oil in for about 1,000 miles, then I'll change it again and put some sort of Castrol fully synthetic in. Right, so that oil filter off. Actually loosened it by hand, so I'm sure this is going to make a mess, but not a lot I can do. Okay, drain off a bit. Oh. Trouble is, just under this oil filter there's about 3 pipes. There's 2 for air conditioning, I believe, and 1 for coolant, so the oil drips straight on them pipes. Try and do it as neat as I can. Okay. Ooh. And we got it. Nice. Black sludge. Okay, so I'm going to let this drip for a couple of hours till the oil filter and air filter turn up. It should be within the next couple of hours, so I'll just let it drain off till it comes. Okay, so I've got the sump plug. There's a 19mm socket on that. I've got a new copper washer. I'm going to put on. Fighting with me. Okay, so I've cleaned the sump plug. The washer shall go on, ready to go. We've got oil filters turned up, so pretty much the same size as the one that was previously on there. A lot of the time when you get aftermarket ones they're a lot shorter, but yeah, that's pretty good. So I'm just going to rub a little bit of oil, clean oil, around the mating surface, the rubber seal there. On these, just normal righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. It's not a reverse thread on these, so I'll get these 2 back on and I'll start filling it up with oil. So first of all, I'm going to get the oil filter on. You ain't going to be able to see that from over there, so I'll just... It's definitely a tight fit up there. Pretty good. Tighten. I only do these sort of hand tight. Let's give it a good squeeze till it butts up. Okay, so don't know if you can see this on the camera. Oil filter is just there. So I need to clean this all up. Just going to stick a bit of brake cleaner on it. And give that a good wipe down. The next time I clean the car, I'll give it a bit of a jet wash under here as well. There's actually no oil leaks on this car. There was a little one when I was taking this sump plug off, I noticed there's a little drip just on the bottom of the sump there. And when I took the sump plug off, there was no washer on it, so that was the only oil leak on it. And I never noticed it on the driveway, so yeah, let's just stop that. Okay. So we're in. Let's tighten this up. Okay, we are on. Right, so that's the sump plug on. All filters on, so let's stick some oil in it and see if it leaks. So, this is raining. I'm going to try and get this down pretty quick. So I've got a funnel in the filler, just to make life a bit easier. So this takes, it's a 2 litre 8 valve engine, so these take 4 litres of oil, and I believe 4.5 with the oil filter. So I'm going to stick about 4 litres in and then see what we're doing. So I've got about 4 litres in. I'm going to drop it off the axle stands now and then fine twig the level. Okay, just going to give it a start up, let the oil work around the engine and the oil filter, then I'll check it again. Definitely sounds a bit quieter. Just going to let that warm up for a minute now. Definitely sounds a lot smoother. Bear in mind it's on choke at the minute. So yeah, this is the oil. Again, it's about £18 off eBay. 5 to 30 oil. I'll put the link in the description below. Fully synthetic Manol. It's got good reviews on it. Again, I'll keep this in for 1,000 miles and I'll drop the oil again, but if it's decent oil I'll make it some more, we'll see. Okay, so I'll let that run for a few minutes. Let's have another check now. Okay, yeah, it's probably going to need about half a litre and we're good. Okay, I think we're good to go now. That should be it. Yep, that's max. That'll do. Right. Let's get that off. Let's check all the air filter. That's the new one. So there's 2 Phillips screwdriver screws holding the airbox together. One you have to sort of bend the airbox out a little bit because I haven't got a stumpy screwdriver to hand. And there's a Phillips just behind that where there's a little hose that comes off the intake hose. undo that screw, so that's off. So unclip the little centre there. The hose pops off. There's another little hose just there, you clip it top and bottom, and that pops off. So let's put it back. Okay, and that sort of unhooks. So there's the old air filter. Definitely hasn't been done for a couple of years. There's the new one. So, a bit of a difference. Should be able to breathe a bit better. Let's put that in. Just make sure there's like a little lip all around the air box that it sort of seats in there correctly. Job done. That's in. And then reverse, and then you took it apart.